Okay, so it's like really late at night and I can't sleep. So let's do a depression order unboxing, shall we? And it's from TEMU or TEMU, however you say it. All right, so the first thing, the packaging is kind of crusty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pero it's like, this is supposed to be like a lip gloss. Oh girl, why is it open? It's crusty but it's like supposed to be like a little light bulb. I don't know why I bought this. Okay, but now I believe this is supposed to be like an eyeshadow combo, like 2 colors or something like that. Let me see. I think I bought it for like $2 too. If I can open the packaging. Ahí está. So, oh, that one is pretty. Okay, I'm excited to try this one. Y mira. Okay, so that one, I think we did good. Ooh, we're getting to the good stuff. So, this right here, I was excited to get. And I think I bought it for like $3. So this is supposed to be like one of those things where you braid your hair and then it curls it without heat. So I will try this one on and I will try it today and I'll let you guys know how it works out. And this right here is pelo. So I am the queen of a good ponytail, okay? I don't like to do my hair. And I decided to try a ponytail. Oh, you know what? These are the ones that have the little clips. Y yo sé por qué compré. I should have another one in the bag. Okay, so yeah, compré dos. I bought 2. So basically, and it's going to look weird right now because no me peiné bien since I didn't comb my hair correctly. It's going to just look weird. So basically, these have like little clips. And what I plan to do is clip them on like so, okay? And let me see. It's just, it doesn't look right without like makeup and your hair being completely done. But this is kind of like the idea of the hairdo. There we go. So something like this, but I'm gonna like let the rest of my hair in the back like come out. Something like this. Okay, I know it looks weird. I don't have any makeup. My hair's not complete. But this is kind of like the idea of the hairstyle that I want to do. Like I said, it looks weird. No makeup. My hair's not really done. But this is like kind of like what I'm going for with these 2 ponytails. So there you go. Nomás para que tengan una idea, you know? I just want to give you guys an idea as to what I'm trying to do. ¿Qué más compré? Girl, what is this? Se van a reír de me. You're going to laugh when I show you guys what this is. So, these are to pad myself, okay? So basically, son para echar un poquito más de busto. So, girl, for $2, ahí está. Si eres gordita que no tienes limoncitos o no tienes de aquí, hey, eres de las mías because I don't have anything up here and I bought 2. So yeah, I use those to pad like my bra when I'm wearing one, of course. This next thing, I'm not going to take it out the box because it's just a tripod for a camera. I always need these, so I always have them everywhere in the house. ¿Qué tanto ordené? De veras. Like, I went crazy on this order. Y sabes qué todo esto que compré, I think it was like $40. $40. Oh, boob tape. Este también lo uso para levantármelas y es como tape. ¿Cómo se dice en español tape? Tape. So it's basically tape to help me pull them up. That's what that is. Again, that was like $3, como $3. And, ooh, lashes. Me gustaron esas pestañas because they're like really spiky. I'm not going to take them out the package. You guys can see. Si no, pues ya, ni modo. But lashes, pestañas, a little beauty blender. And you basically like put your little tu dedito, okay? And then I'm going to use it for my under eye. Like para esta área debajo del ojo. And I bought concealer. I guess I bought concealer. Corrector. Okay. Y como te digo, toda esta orden, no más de $40. Like this whole thing cost me no more than $40. Huele como a plástico. It smells like plastic. This is supposed to be not, I don't think I bought concealer. I think I bought foundation. That's what this is supposed to be. Oh, this is like a highlighter. Es como un iluminador. Well, it's supposed to be like a highlighter, but it has the thing like eyeliner. Parece como delineador. But when I bought it, it said it was supposed to be, I don't know. It's supposed to be highlighter, okay? That's what it's supposed to be. This is a contour stick. Este lo miras bastante. Like, you see this one a lot. Like, have you seen, like, those Asian ladies that do, like, those transformation videos where, like, start off looking some way and then they end up looking like somebody else? You know what I'm talking about? These are, like, the contour sticks that they use and the highlighter. So, I'm excited to try that. Another one. How many of these things did I buy? So another one of the light bulbs for my eyebrows. This is para las cejas. It's like one of those microblading like eyebrow pencils. You know, the ones with the little 3 things. All right. Okay, this one says it's liquid highlight. I already know that, like, this right here. Oh, that one looks pretty. Y ese sí dice que es iluminador. So this one is supposed to be like highlight. So this does come like with a highlighting applicator. Honestly, I already know that this video is gonna look hella janky. ¿Dónde está mi espejo? Because eso no me dio nada de pigmentación. Let me grab my... Girl, where did it go? I swear that I put some on, okay? Pero lo difumo, like, I'm blending it out, okay? Okay, now I'm kind of seeing it. Maybe it'll look better when I put my foundation on. Yo sé que este video is going to look hella janky. This video is going to be looking hella janky. I don't have no makeup on, ni me peiné. My lighting is all off, but it's okay. I'm still going to share it. You're still going to see it. These right here, no sirven. They're supposed to be like scissors with like a little comb or whatever. And then you do it, okay? I'm not lying to you. You pull them. That shit hurts. Esto duele. No tiene nada de filo. It's not even sharp. So this one's going straight to the trash. Don't know what this is, but let's find out. Ay. Uy. I don't know what this is, but I almost broke it, okay? Let's see here. Oh, it's eyeliner. Delineador. I love me a good colored liner. Delineador de color. Oh, I think this is the blue one. So it's supposed to be like a blue eyeliner. So I'm excited to use this. Oh, okay. I think I paid like $2 for these. And look how pretty this looks. The packaging alone, girl, yes. Okay, y tiene su aplicador. No me lo voy a poner ahorita because me voy a mirar ridícula sin maquillaje. I'm not going to put this on because I would look hella ridiculous without no, like, makeup on. This is, like, very trendy right now. Esto es una espátula. And it's being used to apply foundation. So, muchas lo están usando en Corea para aplicar como diría mi mamá, la foundation, la base. So, para eso es esta espátula. Se me va a caer la pinche uña. Yep. Another highlighter, otro iluminador, okay? More highlights. I'm a big highlight girl. I love highlighters. I see a lot of highlighters coming out of this bag is because I love it. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow. Es una sombra, pero tiene 2 colores. It has 2 colors. I'm telling you, the light in this video sucks. But ni modo, dijo el pollo, así voy a tener que hacer las cosas. Ah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a peachy eyeshadow. So esta es sombra en líquido. This is a liquid blush, colorete para el cachete. And this one looks like super, like, peachy. Según que es de durazno, pero no huele nada. It doesn't smell like anything, but I'm excited to use this. If you're already aging like myself, yo tengo 37 años, voy a tener 38 años en mayo. I'll be 38 in May. Stop using powder blush. Deja de usar el colorete de polvo. Because powder blush makes us look older. So if you want, like, you know, younger looking makeup, use liquid blush or cream blush or even mousse blush. Okay? This one right here doesn't say what it is, so let's just open it. Oh, I know. This is supposed to be like body highlighter. Like, te lo pones en el cuerpo. I like to, like, really show my chest a lot. I don't know if you guys noticed. A mí me gusta usar, like, ropa escotada aquí arriba. Entonces, me pongo un poquito de brillo como iluminación en el pecho. But in the picture, the bottle looked bigger, okay? La botella en la foto de la descripción del artículo se miraba más grande. Así que me chotearon. Like, I feel like I'm getting scammed. Another liquid blush. Este es otro colorete en líquido. Again, liquid blush, girls. Liquid blush. This is supposed to be another one. That's a liquid blush. Okay. That's another orange one. Why did I buy 2 orange ones? No sé por qué compré 2. Pero anyway, este de veras no dice nada. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this unboxing video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys want me to do more. Porque traigo otros paquetes de Ulta, de Sephora. It says Ice Cube Velvet. Ooh, I think it's supposed to be another one of these. That's what it is. So it's another one of those lipsticks. Y creo que ya no tengo nada. Oh, no. Encontré otro. So I found another one. Then another blush. I'm telling you guys. Start using liquid blush because powders, they make you look so old. Even if you're young, try to not use as much powder. It just makes your skin dry and therefore it makes you look older. So I tend to use cream, mousse, liquid products now. No uso mucho polvo, like just to set. Oh, this is the dupe for the Rare Beauty. I know. I'm sorry. We're supposed to be supporting Celiners, pero this was like $2, okay? And like I said, I was going through a depression phase. No huele nada. So there you go. I'm going to try and see. I've never used any Rare Beauty products, so I couldn't tell you if it's comparable or not because I don't know, okay? So hopefully you like this unboxing video. I know I wasn't talking a lot, but I'll get better at this, okay? I promise. I have more packages on the way. Like I said, I have a Sephora one. I have an Ulta one. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more of these videos. Déjame saber si quieren que haga más de estos videos, pero ya no tengo. So yeah, hopefully you like this video, mamacita. Y si quieres más, comment down below y sígueme and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will see you in the next time. Adios.